Set your iPhone alarm for daylight saving time change. Step-by-step guide. So, you need to set an alarm on your iPhone the night before daylight saving time changes? No worries, it's pretty easy. First things first, you want to make sure your iPhone is set to automatically adjust the time. Just go into your iPhone settings, then tap on General, and then Date and Time. Make sure the Set Automatically switch is turned on. This tells your phone to handle the time change for you. Now, just set your alarm like you normally would. Open the Clock app, go to the Alarm tab, and either add a new alarm or edit an existing one. Set the time you want to wake up, and you're good to go. Your iPhone will figure out the time change, even if you set the alarm before it happens. For instance, if the clocks jump from 2 o'clock am to 3 o'clock am, and you set your alarm for 7 o'clock am, your iPhone will still ring at 7 o'clock am, but according to the new, adjusted time. Just a couple of things to keep in mind. If you have set automatically turned off, your iPhone won't change the time on its own. Also, Apple uses your Wi-Fi or cellular network to update the time zone info, so make sure those are enabled. And double-check that your time zone is correct in those same date and time settings. Basically, if you have set automatically on, you can just set your alarm as usual, and your iPhone will take care of the daylight saving time change for you. Easy peasy! Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please subscribe to stay updated on future content.